Life can be a funny thing. The authorities say this man was mauled by a bear, but I'm not so sure. He was hunting game one moment, and quickly became the prey. No open casket viewing for you, my friend. As an undertaker, I've seen all manner of fatal injury. I've even inflicted a few myself, but this is something new. There's a full moon tonight. I have a mutilated corpse and that just happened. If I didn't know better, I would think this had become a werewolf story. Luckily, I don't believe in such things. Legends. A Howling at Old Town. One night only, Saturday, July 12th.